Welcome to TED TV channel. Before going to the video, you need to know what is Google Crowdsource and how it works.
You've heard of machine learning, but what is it? Machine learning is a technique that allows computers to acquire skills by looking at several examples, instead of through sets of rules. Machine learning makes it easier for you to do things every day, like searching for photos of what you love, speaking to anyone in any language, and getting you exactly where you want to go, anywhere in the world. So how do machines learn? In machine learning, computers find, identify, and learn common patterns through sets of data. For example, showing a computer many images of cars teaches it how to recognize a car in any picture. The more variety of car images we show it, the better it gets at recognition. That's why your contributions to the Crowdsource app are important. They help create and verify accurate examples for computers to learn, which in turn enables features that benefit everyone. When you verify image labels, you help apps like Google Photos and Google Lens get better at classifying photos and identifying objects. When you label the sentiment of sentences, you help Google Maps and Google Play organize reviews in your language. When you verify translations, you help Google Translate make more accurate translations in your language. So your favorite apps get better for everyone, thanks to you. As part of the global crowdsource community, you're joining contributors in your country and throughout the world to contribute millions of examples. Your responses are combined with thousands of other users' answers to determine a best response, which is called ground truth. The ground truth is fed to machine learning models that find patterns to learn specific skills, such as how to identify cars in a photo, or how to translate from one language to another. What a machine learns is limited by the data it's given. If we develop an image recognition algorithm with images from only a small part of the world, it will only recognize objects from that part of the world. In order for apps like Photos to work well for everyone, we must train machines using images from every part of the world. By using Crowdsource, you're representing your region, language, and opinions in training data. Thank you for being a part of the community.
Now we can go and check how we can get Google e-certificate for free. Step number 1. Go to Play Store and type Crowdsource in search bar. Click Search. There will be a Crowdsource application by Google. Step number 2. Download and install it. Step number 3. Open the Crowdsource application and log in with your Gmail ID. Step number 4. In Crowdsource application app homepage there will be 5 options. Number 1 Smart Camera. Number 2 Image Label Verification. Number 3 Sentiment Evaluation. Number 4 Handwriting Recognition. Number 5 Image Capture. Step number 5. Choose from the 5 and complete the given task based on your interest. Step number 6. You can check your achievement points and leadership stats on the menu of Crowdsource. Step number 7. Click the achievement points in order to check your level and contributions. Click More to check your levels and benefits. Step number 8. You can find the badges that you receive on Badges menu. Step number 9. Levels and benefits. On level 3 you will start receiving the level badge. On level 5 you will get access for community newsletters. On level 6 you will get access for upwards and accuracy. On level 10 you will get invitation for Google Crowdsource community events. On level 13 you will be featured on Crowdsource Facebook page. On level 15 you will receive the e-certificate of distinction from Google. Follow these steps in order to get free e-certificate of distinction from Google. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our TED channel for more tech entertainment, travel and eat videos.